guys, and welcome back. Today's video is going to be on Ulta. Went to Ulta. I picked up a few items when they had this sale a couple weeks ago, so I'm a little bit behind getting this video up and uploaded and edited and everything else and done on top of that. So I wanted to go over the items that I picked up. If you are subscribing, thank you. If you're not, please click the subscribe button as well as clicking on the bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. Let's get started with the items. The first thing that I got the Benefit. This is the highbrow, and this is the gel, the setting gel. I have heard a lot of good things about this. I do have to say I like to use hairspray. I spray it on my brush and then I put it just, you know, basically in the beginning just to set those there. But I'm willing to give this a try. I did pick this, I think this is the light brown. I am willing to give this a try. Check it out. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I heard it glides on pretty well and it doesn't smudge and it doesn't wear off. I'm willing to give these items a try and see how they work out. The next item I wanted to try, I have different primers. I usually use the MAC primer, but I saw this one here, Ulta Beauty, and this is the poreless face primer. I also have some NYX that I use sometimes, but this smooths and refines pores. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. It does say that it reduces the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. It is enriched with grapeseed oil and sunflower oil to soften and smooth the skin. It creates the perfect base to help extend the wear of your makeup. Do have to say that grapeseed oil is so good, as well as vitamin E oil for your face. It is very, very good. It is not a thick, heavy oil, but you can also get it in an organic form at Home Goods in their like food area and things like that. They have spices and things like that. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try and see how this works out. The next item I got was, I wanted to try the IT CC Plus Cream, and this is color correcting full coverage plus anti-aging hydrating serum. It has 50 plus UVA and UVB. It's very important, ladies. We must take care of our skin. I did get this in the color neutral tan, but it also came with a IT brow pencil. I mean, it has a little brush on one end. Then you have your, only issue is with this, it seems very hard. Although it is a very light color. I can try to find a way to try to soften that a little bit. I don't know, we will see. I can't wait to give these a try, see how it works, and I will let you know. This is Party blush. A cute like little tree on it. I like that it's got like, it has a tint of pink. It's a darker kind of pink because we know I love pink. How this applies and how it blends and if it stays. You know, what's the long wear of this actual product. Next thing I wanted to try, I got the NYX Glitter Brilliant as well as the glitter primer. Of course, you know, for the holidays we love to have glitter and the glam, and you know, just for that party, that special event. I'm very excited to see how it turns out. I think this would have looked good with this makeup look, just a little bit. I know that you can apply this with any type of, actually Kiko has a mixing solution that you can use this also to apply any glitters that you have if you don't have glitter primer. The next item is Ish. This is Lip Statement Palette. This here is I'm smoking hot is the name of this palette. Some fabulous colors, ladies. Like the pinks, and it's got some purples, and it's got a little bit of a tint of a red orangey, and I think this is going to be a nice little palette. If it's long lasting, if it comes on smooth, if it's blotchy, this is all important aspect, you know, wearing lipstick. The next item is, I love lotion or body butter creams that smell good, and I have to say, Soap and Glory. Oh my God, they have some amazing, this is the Righteous Butter. Let me tell you something, this stuff here, this stuff is like heaven. It smells so good. I can't get enough of it. This is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful product. It just says that it's a body moisturizing formula, so virtual that might swear you're wearing velvet. I have to say that I have used this prior in the past, not lately. I saw it was back in stock and they had it. I said, you know what, let me grab some of this because I really like it. Next item, this is Urban Decay All Nighter. This is in the shade 4.5. This waterproof, long wearing liquid foundation. Let's see. I put a little bit here. Oh, it's thick. It's very thick. Look how thick that is. That is like, yeah, very full coverage. Very full coverage. So I'm gonna try to cover up those marks that I made with the It eyebrow pencil, and oh my God, it's gone. You can't even see. Wow. Now, of course, this color looks different now than it did in the store. We'll definitely be using another foundation that's much lighter to blend this out. I'm okay with not having to return things. Just give it a try, and I can always use another foundation that is a darker or lighter color and change that up. Wow, that was extremely full coverage. The next item, I wanted to try out the Royal Fair brushes. I got some brushes from a company called Crown, and I like the actual pencil itself because, let me see if I have one right here somewhere. Anywho, it has like a little spot where you can put your finger when you're doing your makeup, and it's so helpful because when most of it's on the blending brushes, but it shows you, or at least you can see where to hold when you're blending, so you can, you know, blend it out very well, because of course the further on the handle that you hold away from the ferrule, the more you'll be able to blend it out and won't be as harsh. The only downfall I have on those is the bristles. They fall out so easily, and I'm so like careful how I wash my brushes, how I take care of my brushes. I make sure, you know, I sanitize them, everything, but I don't know, I have to throw them away because they're not working out. These brushes here, let's see. So this is them. Oh, they're pretty. Pretty. Yeah. Oh my God, look how pretty those are. Those are fabulous. It's like a metallic purple. I like these. These are from BH Cosmetic. This is a number 5. It's a pretty big fluffy brush. Then we have here, this one is a number 7, much smaller of course. This one is a number 6. That's more, as you can tell, flat. This one here looks like it's a number 10. This is the angle brush, like for your eyebrows or eyeliner. This one is a number 9, I think. And again, it's flat, but small. Little bit on the stiff side. This is a number 8. This is a fluffy brush. This one is a number 1. Seem pretty soft. This one here is a number 3. Of course, flat foundation. They're contouring. This one is a number 2. Oh, this one's soft. I like the softness. This is a number 4. And I will have to let you know. The next item we got is the 35B Morph Palette. Stunning vibes. Blend the rules, as they say. This is the palette. This is the colors. Voila. It has a little bit of basically everything. I have another one of their palettes. I have to see which one that one is. And I like the fact that they also put the names of each color on here. So that's very helpful when you're doing a tutorial. You know exactly what color, because I know with my Z palettes that I created using Makeup Geek, I didn't keep the name of each actual color, which is unfortunate. Our last but not least item is, voila! This is the Urban Decay Cherry Palette. I have been wanting to get this, and then I was like, oh, I have them all, why not? Go ahead and get it. But I like this. It's like a 3D here where it has the Naked and then Urban Decay Cherries. Got little cherries on it. So let's open it up. Voila! Of course, the pinks, the pinks, the pinks. It has some brown tones as well. Lighter tones. These are really, really, really pretty colors too. There's so many colors and palettes, and what do you choose, and how do they come up with the names, and oh my god. I love Urban Decay's palettes because they blend very well. The pigment is not too strong, and you can always build with them. I really, really love their actual products. I have all of their palettes, so this was my final one until the next. So I just want to say I'm very excited to give these palettes a try and see how they apply, how they blend, seeing if they last throughout the day. That's very important. You don't want to have to be carrying a huge makeup bag around to keep applying your makeup and keep checking it to make sure it's on point. Well, this is it. That's all the products that I got. So if you went and you got some at the sale, please share them with me. Let me know what you purchased and what you thought of the products that I picked up and things. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and the bell to notify you when I do upload the next video. I want to tell you thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here with me. I greatly appreciate it, and I want to tell you, put on that face, look your best, feel proud of everything that you have achieved. There's a new year coming, and I want you to go out and be fancy and be fabulous until I see you in the next video. Bye.